Hi, I'm Rob Reed, the host of the GCAMPS Prayer Lifeline. For those who don't know me, welcome to the channel. I've been in ministry for decades. Pretty much started, my preschool in churches, if you would believe that, and went through Sunday school during my teenage years until I got saved during my final year at college while doing my undergrad. Since then, I've served as youth pastor, served in different capacities within church ministries, and now, years later, we have launched this GCAMPS Prayer Lifeline channel. My goal is just to encourage the greater Christian community, the global Christian assemblies, ministers, partners, and supporters, GCAMPS for the acronym, encouraging each and every one just to grow in prayer, to get into our 1 year audio Bible plan, and also just to live right in the sight of God. So if this resonates with you, please subscribe, like our videos, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a video. And just a big shout out to all the ministers, great and small, all those who serve, as well as every supporter, every sponsor, every individual. God bless you. God keep you. Heaven smile upon you. God be gracious unto you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless you.